Welcome back, folks. Beautiful day out here today. I'm going to go ahead and start to install some rafters today. So as you can see behind me on the trailer, I've got all the rafters pre-cut, and so I'm hoping that it's just as simple as putting them in a position. Now, experience shows me that that's not the case, but we'll try to make the best of it regardless. I'm just having a look up here. I got my big ladder out, and I've got the ridge board into place, and I think I've got everything I need to get started. So I'm going to just get after it here. I got some rafters. One on this side is going to have no tail on the rafter. You'll see what that means in a minute. Reason being is the pitch of the roof is going to change to allow for extra headroom for when you're walking down the pathway. That probably doesn't mean a lot right now. It will eventually. So when you see me installing these rafters, there will be no end sticking out past this wall. There will be no overhang. On this side, there will be an overhang. I've accounted for 1 foot of overhang. So the rafter will have that bird's mouth cut. It'll sit on the top of the wall, and hopefully that goes to plan. So I'm going to stop talking, get down to work, and you guys can follow along here. So here we go. Now, as you're seeing me install these rafters, I've got a 1-inch strip on the top here that's nailed to the top of the rafter. This is for insulation to create ventilation. We'll talk about that later, but just bear with me. This is not a mistake. This was here on purpose. Get off of there. Come on. What the? Well, folks, we've got a solid start on this cabin. As you can see, I got all the rafters up. There's 18 in total. I just have to put up the rafters for the gable ends. Now, that's going to be a little bit different than what you just saw in this video, so we'll get there and I'll explain it in more detail when the time comes. In the meantime, be sure to check out that playlist. The playlist for this tiny house / cabin is quite in-depth. Got all kinds of videos in it. Everything from grading this land that the cabin sits on to setting posts, putting in the floor insulation, etc., etc. And in the meantime, if you guys wouldn't mind doing me a big favor, hit that subscribe button. That way my content gets out there even further. And for everyone else, I appreciate you watching, and we'll see you all next time.